Hey folks, imagine making $1,000 every single week just using GPT-4. Sounds crazy? It's not. Today, we'll uncover a secret method to make this happen. Welcome back to Mickey Money AI, your go-to channel for mastering AI tools and making money online. If you're aiming to boost your income using the most powerful AI tools out there, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end, because the best tip is coming up. And don't forget to subscribe for all the latest on AI strategies. Section 1: Understanding GPT-4's power. Now, let's talk about why GPT-4 is such a game changer. GPT-4, developed by OpenAI, is a machine learning model that processes language with unprecedented accuracy. What makes it special is its ability to generate human-like text, making it perfect for content creation, customer service bots, and much more. When you think about it, almost every online business needs content, right? Whether it's articles, marketing copy, or social media posts. This is where GPT-4 shines. It can save you hours of work and help you produce high-quality material quickly. With a little creativity, you can harness this tool to generate substantial returns. And here's how you start. Section 2: Setting up for income generation. First, you'll need to get access to tools that utilize GPT-4. A few great platforms are ChatGPT by OpenAI, Copy.ai, and Jasper.ai. Let's break it down. You can start a freelancing service offering AI-powered content creation. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are perfect for this. Set up a profile emphasizing your use of cutting-edge AI tech, and watch the inquiries roll in. Pricing your services is crucial. Start with competitive rates such as $25 for a 500-word article. Once you build a reputation, you can easily charge $50 to $100 per piece. Furthermore, these tools aren't just for veterans. They make it simple for anyone to start producing professional content fast. Section 3: Revealing the secret method. Here's the secret sauce: AI-driven affiliate marketing. Using GPT-4, you can craft high-converting emails, blog posts, or even sales pages that drive affiliate sales. Begin by choosing a niche that excites you. Fitness, tech gadgets, or online education. Select something you can passionately write about. Register with affiliate programs related to your niche. Then, let GPT-4 help craft engaging content that leads to conversions. This isn't just a time saver, it's a moneymaker. The accuracy and creativity of GPT-4 ensures your content stands out. Section 4: Practical steps for quick start. You're ready to get rolling. Here's a straightforward roadmap. 1. Sign up for a GPT-4 tool like ChatGPT. 2. Register on freelancing platforms with an AI expert angle. 3. Choose an affiliate niche and programs to promote. 4. Use GPT-4 to create stellar content. 5. Monitor your results, refine your approach. Continue testing and improving your content strategy. AI isn't static, so neither should your methods be. By consistently applying these steps, reaching $1,000 a week is realistic. Section 5: Optimize and scale up. Once you're comfortable, it's time to scale up. Maximize your existing niche or branch out into new ones. Consider investment in premium tools that offer additional features like analytics dashboards or more comprehensive templates. Diversifying your content types can also spike your earnings. Think video scripts, Instagram captions, or newsletters. And always stay updated with AI developments. Engage with communities and forums to capture new techniques. Finally, feedback is invaluable. Ask clients for testimonials to further enhance your profile credibility. If you're amazed by how AI can open up new income streams, hit the subscribe button for more insights. And click on the next video to learn about the latest AI tool reviews. Remember, use AI, make money simple.